night of homework for this week, and you're looking at Stevenson Grammar item 5, and we're on page 3. Right now we're going to do together numbers 7 through 10, and then 11 and 12 will be for homework. Don't forget a preposition tells us where and when something happens, and that we should have our song right in front of us. Nick found the box near the road. So where was the box? It was near the word road. First word is a preposition, last word is a noun. Jim raced from the lake to the road. And remember that to is a preposition because that's the one that I put a check mark next to. And then I'm not sure if there's another preposition. Jim raced from the lake. So I'm going to check my song. I don't see Jim, and I don't see raced. Let me see. Oh, from. So from is a preposition, so I need to squiggle from the lake. All right. Roy eats the food on the plate. Where is the food? It is on the plate. Dean buys the candy at the store. So where's the candy? Where is Dean? He is at the store. Okay, so tonight we're doing numbers 11 and 12. Let's see, I'm going to draw a triangle around 11 and a triangle around 12. All right, so if you haven't gotten this yet, if you don't understand it yet, we're doing this all year. And you will get it. And this will be easy peasy one day, but everything that you start that's new takes a little time, so don't worry. Have a great night.